Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use your PlayStation 5 controller on your PS4. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So did you know that you can actually use your PlayStation 5 controller on your PS4? However, it doesn't work natively. There are some things that you're going to have to do to go ahead and get your PlayStation 5 controller working on your PS4, but it 100% works. And this is actually really easy to do. So I have my PS5 controller right here, and I have this cord that came with my PS5. And this is just a USB to USB-C cord that I'm going to go ahead and plug into my computer right now. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and plug in my PlayStation 5 controller to my PC. Now that I have my controller plugged into my PC, I'm going to want to go ahead and get an application called PlayStation Remote Play. So I'm just going to type this into Google, and the first option at the top will be Remote Play on PlayStation.com. Let's go ahead and open up this link. So what is PS Remote Play? Well, this allows you to play your PlayStation 4 or 5 on the go or on a different device. So let's scroll down for the download link. So you can also do this on your phone or your Apple phone. So just follow these steps if you're on the phone. So here's the Android link. Now here is the PC and Mac download. Let's go ahead and get this. All right, then I'm going to go to Control Your PS4 from Windows 10 PC. Select this, scroll down, and then you have to go to I agree, download. So it's downloading in the bottom left side of the screen. Great, so now I have PlayStation Remote Play on my PC. Like I said, you can also do this on your phone, and you'll have to connect your controller to your phone to be able to do this. So sign in with your PlayStation account and email address and password. Then when you log in, there's a couple things you can do. Once you go to settings, you go to video quality, and then you have PS5 video quality, and then you have PS4 video quality. Now, one thing that I like to do, I like to set my video quality to 360p and standard, because I will actually be playing on my main screen. I won't be actually playing this through the remote play window. I will actually be playing on my PlayStation 4 with my same TV, since my computer is so close to my PS4. By setting it to a lower resolution, there will be less latency or lag or bandwidth usage, which means there's going to be less delay between my responses and my controller inputs. So let's go ahead and go to OK. And if you don't have a very good internet connection, setting it to a lower resolution will be very important. Now go ahead and set up your PlayStation 4 to the Remote Play application. So for me, since both of them are on the same Wi-Fi automatically connected, just have your PlayStation 4 in rest mode or turned on. So let's go to PS Destroyer, which is my PlayStation 4, and it's going to search for nearby PlayStations to connect to. So here is the Remote Play application up and running now. I had Minecraft up. Now this is a little bit lower quality, like I stated before. However, I'm going to be playing it on my main TV. So another thing I want to mention is, if you do not have this already set up, go to settings, scroll down to remote play connection settings, and make sure this is enabled remote play. Otherwise, you won't be able to connect your PlayStation 4 to your computer. So like I said, this is 100% just a window on my PC right now. And I can go ahead and unmute the mic by pressing this button right here on the bottom. I even can control some functions on my PS4 with my PC mouse. Now, to completely reduce latency 100%, I'm going to switch over my inputs and go back to my PlayStation 4 on my main monitor. So now I'm playing my PlayStation 4 with zero input lag with my PlayStation 5 controller, and I have the Remote Play application just minimized on my computer with the lowest resolution. So it's going to be taking up very little bandwidth, and there's going to be very little delay. So now I'm just playing directly from my PlayStation 4 with my PlayStation 5 controller. So let's play a little bit Minecraft. As soon as I press the button, character jumps. Can we tell a difference whatsoever? So the biggest improvement for this would be actually to be able to play wirelessly. So I would have to get like some sort of wireless adapter for my PlayStation 4 controller or for my PlayStation 5 controller to connect to my PC. But this 100% works. It works very well. Only thing you need to do is connect it to your phone or your computer, and you'll be on your way to using your PS5 controller on your PS4. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.